In this video, I'll walk you through how to automatically track the value of your stock portfolio using Google Sheets and simple scripts. We'll cover the following topics. Let's dive in and make your investment tracking simple and automated. Setting up Google Sheets for stock tracking. First, you will want to create a place in your Google Sheets to store your portfolio's value. Right-click on rows 1 through 10 and select Insert 10 rows below. This creates space for your future data. Next, click the plus icon in the bottom corner to add a new sheet. Rename this sheet to Portfolio Value. In the first row, label your columns as Date, Portfolio Value, Average Portfolio Value, Cumulative Growth, and Average Cumulative Growth. These are the fields we'll be tracking automatically. How to automate data entry with Google Sheets scripts. Google Sheets allows you to add custom functionality through scripting. These scripts are written in JavaScript, and while they might look complex at first, you will get the hang of it over time. Don't worry, you don't have to write code from scratch. I'll walk you through how to implement a script that automatically records your portfolio's value each month. The code is available in the description and can be easily copied to your own sheet. To add the script, click on Extensions in the top menu and select Apps Script. This will open the script editor where we'll add our custom code. We'll see a blank file, delete everything in it by pressing Ctrl A and replace it with the code. After pasting the code, save the script and give it a meaningful name like performancememory.js. Google Sheets script resources. One of the powerful features of Google Sheets is the ability to enhance it using Google Apps script. If you're new to coding, don't worry. You can either write the scripts yourself, find them online, or even use tools like ChatGPT to help generate specific scripts. The flexibility this system offers is immense, because it allows you to automate almost everything you can imagine within your spreadsheet. You can also access a wide range of pre-built scripts shared by the Google community, many of which are available for free. These scripts can automate tasks like importing data or sending emails. By learning to use these scripts, you will unlock the ability to streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and create powerful custom reports, all without needing to manually handle the data yourself. Understanding the script. The script pulls data from two sheets: Portfolio Tracker for the portfolio's current value and Portfolio Value to record the updates. It also retrieves the current date and logs all this information in the new sheet. The script calculates the average portfolio value and cumulative growth for the last 3 entities and ensures there are no errors if there is not enough data. The script runs automatically once a month to log your portfolio's value. The code uses Google Sheets built-in triggers to make sure it runs regularly without any manual input. Simulating and testing the script. Before setting the script to run automatically, we can simulate changes to our portfolio by manually updating the total portfolio value in the sheet. Click on Run in the script editor and you will see a new row added to the portfolio value sheet. This is how you can verify that the script works correctly. Try changing the portfolio value a few more times and running the script to see how the averages and cumulative growth update automatically. If all the calculations appear correctly, you know the script is functioning as expected. Creating graphs to visualize your portfolio. Now that our script is working, we'll create some visualizations. In the portfolio value sheet, we'll generate 2 graphs. One for the portfolio's value over time and another for cumulative growth. Select columns A to C, click Insert in the menu and choose Chart. Set the chart type to Combo Chart for better clarity. Rename the chart to Portfolio Value by clicking on the title and remove unnecessary labels like date to make the graph cleaner. You will see blue bars representing the portfolio's value for each month and a red line indicating the 3-month average. For the second graph, highlight the first column and the cumulative growth data, then repeat the same steps to create another combo chart. This graph will show how much your portfolio has grown over time. Once both graphs are created, copy them using Ctrl+C and paste them onto your main dashboard portfolio tracker using Ctrl+V. Align the graphs to make them easy to read. Now you have a visual representation of your portfolio's performance right on the main page. Setting up automatic triggers. To make sure this process runs monthly without manual input, you will need to set up an automatic trigger. Go back to the script editor and create a trigger that runs the script once a month. This will ensure that your portfolio data is updated regularly without any further effort. Now save everything and your Google Sheet will automatically track your portfolio's performance every month. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you automate and simplify your stock portfolio tracking. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave any comments with questions or feedback. Stay tuned for more content on long-term investing and remember, invest wisely.